Okay, starting with some coffee. Alrighty, got my coffee, got my grab. Off to a pretty good start because it's supposed to be thunder showers all week long. But hey, I guess I got lucky. Not too bad. Okay, I can hear chickens. There's a temple here. Oh, okay, let's check out what that's all about. Hit the gong's offering to Buddha by beating it slowly 3 times. Okay, I can do that. Please join making the merit by purchasing limestone and sand to repair the chapel. Okay. Like this. Okay. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. This place feels very peaceful. I like the vibe a lot. Don't forget to take your shoes off. Okay, this is all in Thai, but I guess this is where people put their incense and their offerings. This place is beautiful. There's a Chinese saying that it goes like this: "Nhập ngũ kiều nhân, nhập miếu bài神," meaning when you go into somebody's house, you address people's elders and parents. When you go into a temple, you also have to pay respects. So for me, I'm not particularly religious or not religious, but I'm open to pretty much most religions. So whenever I go see a temple, a church, a mosque, whatever religion it is, so I just go in, pay my respect, and say prayers. Of course, say hello, and yeah, it's quite a peaceful experience. Oh, that's so cool. Make a merit according to your birthday. All sorts of Buddhas. The sleeping one and then the other ones. So, this Buddha, whatever he or she is doing, animals are worshipping it. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so put some money in there. Thank you. I saw this wasp just devouring this dragonfly. I thought it was a twig. It turned out the bee is eating a dead dragonfly that is still moving. Oof. Yikes. Wow, only the head and the body is left and it's still moving. Oh, so across from there is the art place. This is the place where local artists sell their stuff. Oh, wow. It's quite a big area. Oh, okay. So there's 2 ways at it. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's like a whole community. It's got the cafe, the food, the art, the temple. Hi. Hi. Can I pet you? Oh. Hi. Oh, hi. You got a friend there. Hi. Ah, so friendly. So friendly nah. Oh my god. You're so clean. Pushy dogs. Oh, pushy dogs. Oh, you're a pushy one. Ah. Hi. Oh, this is too cute. No. Things are so reasonably priced here too. I like it. Okay. Cat radar already on. I think it's a matter of when. place is beautiful. Holy crow. Wow. Quite the scene. But this is pretty cool. So, and they have these locks? No. These signs here, but doesn't that kind of weigh down the bridge? I think I've seen the video in Prague. It says those locks are weighing down the bridge and it's killing it. Wow, these boat noodles are just 35 baht. Okay, I gotta do this. Rice vermicelli, egg noodles. Rice stick noodles. Okay. Way cool. Oh, this is too cool. What is this? Is this a fruit? I don't know what that is. So she gave me a sample. Whatever, I guess it's a fruit. Oh, wow. Wow. Thank you. It's really sour. Wow, this looks so good. They give you ice water in case it's really spicy. Okay, the chopsticks must be right here somewhere. Oh, there we go. Feels like eating at home. If my sister's here, I'd make her so jealous. Oh, here's all the spices. Yeah, so they got the spicy powder, the fish sauce, the spicy sauce, and oh, thank you. It's okay. I'll take it. It's okay. I got it. Thank you. And sugar. They add sugar. Okay. Wait. Okay, so let's do this. The last time I was in Bangkok, my sister kept wanting to eat boat noodles. Too good. Not spicy at all. Oh, so good. Oh, so there's like a mini art gallery right here. Huh. See that? Meow meow roll. I wonder what that is. Delicious and meow meow roll. Oh, so it's a restaurant. However, I told my cat about you. Oh, that is too cute. Whatever they're selling, it's gotta be like cat paws or something. That roll make your day. Oh, so this is, I guess, like a paw scratching against something. I actually got a subscriber from Thailand. Sorry, what's your name?
Z.
Z. Good to see you. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh, hello. So Z, the guy, he was like, "Oh, I really like your narration as you're taking these videos." I'm like, "Oh yeah, that's because I'm talking to the netizens." This place is called the Blue Cat Cafe, where coffee is 50 baht, whereas in my hotel is 120. But they have this cat art. Oh, that is way cool. Sure, Carlos, I saw your friend. Acquired for only 25 baht. I bought something here. This lady has 21 cats. Stray cats. So it turned out this is a shopkeeper's cat. Okay, I guess I should move to Thailand. Having 21 cats is not that unusual. So it's so cool, like these little shops. I like the deco. Ice cream store, followed by a lot of art stuff. Let's just follow where people go and see what I come across. Oh, wow. Oh, this is a restaurant. Let's try to look out one of these. Wow, they got some pretty fat fishes in the river there. Hi. Love the vibe of this place. It's very low-key, very chill, and there's a lot of culture. It's not cookie cutter. It doesn't feel too commercialized, and of course the prices aren't like tourist scammy stuff. Doesn't feel that way. Like it. I could easily guess that if people are into art and crafts and stuff like that, they can spend like a whole day here. No problem. So these are some of the stores. Oh, so this is for fish consumption, not for humans? Because these are pellets. I guess these are for fishes. Oops, I thought they were for humans. Anyway, moving on, let's see what kind of stuff I come across. There's a lot of handmade crafts and jewelry. They're not expensive at all. And the best part is you get the view of the river this whole time. Is it me or are the people walking really slow? So here's the people feeding the fishes, but you can't see the fishes, or oh my god, there's so many of them. But weird thing is, I actually didn't buy anything to feed the fishes. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. Oh, look at that. If I was a kid, I'd probably jump in there and just wrestle these fat fishes. Sorry, no fat shaming there. Hello. Hello. Are you the one making all the noise? Yeah. Oh, sorry, it's your friend. Sorry. Oh. Oh, chicks. I think I just walked into somebody's shop. This is the art place that I was looking at. Some people are making bead work. Oh wow. And then some people are making like art. This guy's like painting. Huh. I need to check this out. Wow, a lot of people come here. Jeez, must be a popular place. Oh wow. That's one way to do art, by the river. Yes, may you have a good life. Then you just pick your own beads. Oh, way cool. Oh. Yeah, in Hong Kong, before you know it, people are going to be rushing you out if you're not making a purchase. I like how it's just shoes off for everybody. Shoes off, off, off. Wow, this is such a chill environment. Wow. It's a handwritten calendar. Jeez. Oh, these are not for sale. Sabisantu, the 12 Chinese zodiacs. I don't know what you think, but this guy looks a little bit cunning. What's the thing with going down these really steep stairs? Wow, that was so good. Just everyone's so focused on what they're doing. Love it. Wow, very nicely done. Good luck finding your shoes if you forgot where you put them. Just word of sage advice. I wish I have like a house near a river like this, where I can have like a lot of cats. Still no signs of cats. Lots of cat paintings, but don't see many cats. Oh, this is so cool. So these houses are built on top of water. Oh, smart pigeons. They're like, oh, we found the crumbs. We found the crumbs. The dad back there was scaring the pigeons. I kind of want to push him into the river. This place is worth coming. Although I'm not the artsy type, but still pretty good. And it's very chill vibe. Things are not touristy price here for sure. So a lot of these places are somebody's house. Hey, hey, can I pet you, meow? Oh, no, mommy, meow. Hi. Hey, kitty. Can I pet you? Hi. I hope that's your dad's motorcycle because you're scratching it up. You really are. You're like my spark. Wait, 做咩咬人啊？做咩咬人啊？Would you like a meat tube? Would you like some meat tubes? All the way from Shenzhen. You're definitely somebody's cat. You're so trusting. I'm trusting, eh? Are we friends now? So yummy. So yummy. Here, do you want some more? Yeah. Okay, last drop. Last drop. Last drop. Last drop. Wait. Bye bye, kitty. Bye. Are these for pickles? What I love about Thailand is even if you're taking a picture of someone doing dishes, they'll still bow and just, you know, smile at you. Whereas in Hong Kong, it's 100% no pictures. Hello, hi. Oh, so good. Bye-bye. Wow, the restaurants are so nice. Oh, gotta get that mango sticky rice. One of my favorite things. Something to eat before I'm too old, I guess. Yeah, it's only 60 baht. Okay, here I come. This is what mango sticky rice look like. I think I'll just get some here. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Can I get one mango sticky rice? Thank you. Can I eat here? Thank you. Sit here. Pretty cool. Or you can just eat their mango sticky rice. I think she's just peeling it right now. Hi, thank you. Thank you. People are super polite. I feel so embarrassed. Like when people take your money and they just like put their hands together and thank you wholeheartedly. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Let's give this a go. Wow. Mango sticky rice, huh? High sugar, high fat, high carbohydrates. Eat this stuff. Wow. Wow, you're still not diabetic yet. Oh, the cat radar's picking up cat beer. Wow, things are so reasonably priced here. Wow. Hi. Thanks for having me. Hi. Oh, doesn't like. I got dog food. I'm inclusive like that. I got dog food. Food too. You guys want some dog food? Some kibbles? 喂，做咩打人啊？做咩打人啊？做咩打人啊？ Yeah. No? You want some dog food? You want some dog food here? Somebody's getting food dominant and aggressive. Hi, do you want a snack? Can I get you a snack? Okay, come on. Thanks for taking my kibbles. It's very delicious. Yeah, watching out for your traffic, huh? They appreciated it. Okay, that's good. Oh, hello. Hi, Meow Meow. Hi, Meow Meow. Hi, Meow Meow. Hi. How are you? Yeah, Mama? She's somebody's cat. Mommy, did you just have the babies? Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. You're a good cat. Oh, yeah. Yeah, she just had babies. Where's the babies? Okay, bye-bye, Mommy. Oh, cat radar. On. Are you guys buddies? Must be buddies. May pat ay gali din ako. Your mommy and baby. Oh. So away from the touristy areas is where the cats are. Hi. Hi, can I pay you? You think I can pay you? Oh, this guy's in hunting mode. What is he hunting? What's he looking at? The bird? Are you looking at a bird? You want some food? It's pretty good. You don't have to hunt for it. Distance might do. Nope, still very attentive, trying to hunt something. Too cute. Hello. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. Oh. Every time I take a picture or I pet somebody else's cat, somebody smiles at me. I guess it's a cat-loving community in Thailand too. See the neighborhood outside here? It's very local, and again, it's a place where you're probably gonna find a lot of cats. Oh, hi. Hello. Oh, hi. Oh my gosh. This reminds me of Malaysia, where the houses need like bars on their balcony. 7-Eleven coffee. 7-Eleven coffee is a lot cheaper. Here's the prices. I'm gonna get some ice. Macchiato. Yeah. Yappy burgers. They came a long way, but I gotta be a kid to think this is edible, right? Which it is. Crap, I called a grab and it's like raining. Just hit up a local mall because it's raining out there. But I noticed that there's like a little night market across the street, so I think I'm set. Wow, no wonder why Thai people can dance. The music starts young. Oh, this is so cool. People can chill like this in the shopping mall. See, a lot of the shopping malls here are connected by these footbridges. So I'm just walking to the other side. Oh, cool. So I guess some of the places are opening up. Oh, so there's like a giant mall and food court in here. Nice. Wow, and it goes really far back too. Whatever I do, I'm not gonna eat anything spicy. Ring of fire. And I was right. After you pass the food market, then is a night market. Wow. Okay, it does go really deep. They got all these vegetables. Oh, so nice. So they pack your vegetables with a sauce. I think I'll get that. Okay, gonna get a big thing of vegetables. Thank you very much. 60 baht. She threw in a few more carrots too. Oh, thank you. Wow. Wow, nice. Boiled vegetables with sauce. 80 baht. 60 baht for the veggies and 20 baht for the sauce. Wow, this is the kind of places that I like to go because it's very local to an extent. But it has like groceries, it has night market stuff, it's got food, it's got clothes, it's got produce, and souvenirs all in one. Oh, this soup looks so good. Yeah. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Ooh, sorry. Ooh, crickets and bugs. Seems like the sushi is cooked stuff mainly. Okay, here's people buying shrimp. Next to it is some eel and sushi and salad. Cooked corn. Yum, yum, yum. Oh my god. Oh, that looks so good. Wow. Oh, they wrap up the rice just like that. Oh, eggs are in bags. Oh my gosh, look at mussels. See how that's the bloody clams that I got food poisoning from because you eat them half cooked. Yeah. Wow, these things look so good. Fish cooked in vegetables, snails, fish. Wow, Thai dumplings look so exotic. There's like a whole thing of fish in there. Oh, any one of these I could just devour. Whoa. Love it, love the vibe. See, when I come to Thailand, I just want to eat everything. Oh, they got these things of steamed fish. Wow. Man, the skewers look so good. Wow. Wow. So what they do is they dip it in the hot sauce and then it's packaged to you. Oh, more ring of fire. Okay, everything was kind of spicy. And did I say a lot of bag usage here? But anyways, so I dip this in this spicy sauce. And then the vegetables I got, they said the sauce is not that spicy, but I questioned that, so we'll see. Okay, I have braced myself just in case she was talking about the mild spicy as in still very spicy. Let's see how that fares. Stole some chopsticks from somewhere? All right. Okay, let's give it a go. Let's try. See, the baby corn still had the thing on it. Yeah. Okay, let's try it. Still quite spicy. Wow, you didn't eat the stock. This is really good. This is Asian style veggies and dip, except for all the stuff are cooked. Cooked to perfection. Wow. Okay, I could do this. I got beef skewers of random stuff. Fatty pork. Sweet, sour, spicy. Stimulates the canker sore in my mouth. Ow. It's really good. 36 baht, 60 baht for the vegetables, 20 baht for the sauce. 120 baht, so that's like $3.30 US. Wow, this setting here reminds me a lot of the Taiwanese night markets, especially with all the motorcycles. Oh, Buddy T. I didn't realize that my son was an entrepreneur. Okay, for those of you that don't know, I have a cat named Buddy. Oops, a really smart night market dog. I guess this is the name of the night market? Can someone tell me? There's somebody's dog. Hello. So chill. Cat radar definitely on. I think I saw a cat. Meow meow. Do you want a treat? Can I get you a treat? It's very delicious. Do you want a cat treat? What's wrong with your left eye? Is that just a squint or is it something else? Very trusting, are you not? Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. Are we friends? It's MeloCat from Hong Kong. You're just a small cat. I can feel your tongue. Want some more? I got some kibbles. You need kibbles, ah. Please join our Patreon. It means a lot to small creators like us, and it can keep our channel alive. Thanks, meow. Hi. It's okay. Hi, kitty. Enjoy your dinner. Laters. Saw a cat there. Do you want some food? Are you a friendly cat? I'm a friendly cat. Oh, there's a buddy right here. Can I get you guys some food? Yeah? You want some? You want some? You want some food? It smells very good. People must have fed you guys. You're so friendly. There's another one. Are you guys like brothers? You're brothers. You guys are all friends. Because they're all part of the same colony, are you not? Yeah, because you guys don't fight over this either. You guys have been hanging out. It's the public holiday, so your humans probably didn't come back to feed you. Oh, you've got a wound. Oh, been fighting, huh? Okay, I got some dry food. Do you guys want some dry food? Okay, skin coat looks relatively healthy. You are definitely brothers with this guy. Yeah, I'm sure there were humans that are feeding you guys, but as I say, it's a holiday right now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get going. Want the last drop of meat too? You can get the last drop out. Do you want the last? Want the last drop? Yeah, this is the good stuff. Okay, 好啦，拜拜。Very trusting. Very trusting cat. Your coat is so comfy. 好啦，拜拜。拜拜。Bye, kiddos. Stay safe. Oh, wow. You guys just saw me open the meat tube. Okay. Wow. Ah, muốn ngào không? Don't bite me, don't bite me, don't bite me. Wow, where did you guys come from? Wait. Daga. I'm not too aggressive for that. Orange cat, you're on the slow side, are you not? Come on. Hola. Okay. Okay, bye-bye, cats. Wow, just like that, it went through so much. Okay, there we go. Oh no, 唔好跟住我，唔好跟住我 ，don't follow me. Okay, 冇嘢食啦。Okay, bye kiddos. Oh jeez. Hi. Hi. Oh, I wish I got more stuff on me. Bye bye, like kiddos. Bye bye. 唔好跟住，唔好跟住，做乜嘢啊？You just want to hang out? 係咪就想 hang out 啊？唔係嘅。Is it food that you want, or is it? What is it? What is it? What is it, kiddos? I'm the human vending machine, huh? A human vending machine. Okay. please join our Patreon. It means a lot to small creators like us, and it can keep our channel alive. Thanks, meow. Aww. Yeah, you guys all staying safe together? Okay. Alright. Maya, you have to stay safe too? Alright? Okay. Hola, bye-bye. Bye-bye, like kitties. Hola, see you next time. See you next time. Okay? Wow, the cats completely drained my pockets of cat food and cat goodies. I wish I had more. Okay, instead of going to my place, I went to the wrong place, which is a really fancy hotel. I guess the name was only off by one word. Oops. So I called the Grab again, and the same driver came back, and now we're going back to the right place. Oh my God, it turned out there are like 3 or 4 different places that sound like my hotel's name. And I got it wrong twice. What are the chances? As I say, never take directions from MeloCat. I just assumed the first word was right on my hotel, so I just poked at it on Grab, and then I ended up going to 2 places that had a very similar name, and so I went in a big circle. Instead of coming back in like 10 minutes, it took me like 45 minutes. But at least I made it back in one piece. And that was a great tour of Bangkok, by the way, on a motorbike. Wow, this Asian veggies and dip is so good. But no matter what you do, make sure you have a cold beverage ready, because when they say something is not spicy, it's still spicy AF.